Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use TypeLettering, the app on Canva, to customize text with standout effects. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to select use a new design. I'll just select this frame ratio. And it's going to bring me to the app. So you're going to search for the templates. You can look for more templates here. But for instance, I want to use this one, so I'm just going to select that. You can also change the colors if you'd like to. I'm just going to type something like good, if I can just type, music. And here you can also change the font if you'd like to. And then as you can see, it changes. You can also change the line height as well here. And then you can obviously change the color. So this is the background. I want it to be like a yellow color. I'm gonna leave the orange, and then I'll use blue for this one, like a light blue, and I'll use green, because why not? And for this one, I'll use another blue, and for this one, I'll use like an orange. Then once you're done, you're just going to select add to design, and you'll have this really cool text effect. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.